I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today.
How are you all doing? I feel like I've neglected y'all. It's like a little, and these guys, I've neglected the babies. I'm sorry, buddy. It's like I don't know, like we ain't had much time together. I can tell you one thing, my body changed and it changed fast. This is exactly why I am so thankful for knowing that I got to get back on my carnivore. I mean, I'm even like, my girls, everything's fluffed out. Like I told y'all, like my skin even feels different. Those fat cells were so happy to take on the water and the fat. And don't say it's just water weight, because I'm here to tell you, the amount of food and calories I ate, it ain't just water weight. But you know, no use crying over spilled milk. So, and I've still got today and half of tomorrow to go. But what I'm doing, so today, me and Mom, and then my 2 nephews, 3 nieces, and my niece's boyfriend, we're going to go to the escape room. Now, it takes place in the dark, and everybody gets a flashlight. So, Mom's like, honey, I can't contribute. I'm like, who cares? I was like, this is an experiment, or an experience. This is something, it's a memory. We're making a memory. So this is a memory that not only Mom will have, but the nieces and nephews will have as well. So what we're doing is about 1:30. We're getting together at my pool hall where we play. And then we're going to play some pool. And then around 3:15, we're going to head to the escape room. So I said, I'm not driving over this morning. I'm going to drive over after we play pool. Or after the escape room, it'll work out. I'll come home, feed the dogs, let them out, and then go over to Mom's. So, or I don't know exactly when, but yeah. So anyway, so that's the plan today. So I'll update you when I know more, but that's the game plan today. So, okay, well, I'm going to let y'all go. Like I said, I feel like I neglected y'all, but boy, is it very interesting. Right now, I feel my fullness in the front. I remember life not being able to lean forward. And don't get me wrong, it's not like I had a flat stomach. But I'm just saying, I remember whenever any movement, the bulge was just... So here. Oh, that's good. Let me show you. That's how things are looking. And I got britches on, so it's bloop, bloop. So it's just, it has been a very interesting experience. And so, yeah. I mean, it's what I got to look at it as. An experience. I can't say that I can't beat myself up about it. And I can't, be sad or mad or whatever. I'm not happy about it. But so I have to treat it as, all right, that's interesting. Didn't know that would happen. Had forgotten about that part, And so I know this is wider and my chin's filling out. All my chins are filling out. But anyway, so that's that. So starting Monday, we'll get back to our meat only. I'm not going to weigh on Monday, but I'll start... I'll shift over to eating meat again. So then that way I kind of, I'd rather shift over to it before I start dropping the calories. You know what I mean? So, all right, I'll see you next thing. It feels so good. I know you can't see my full face. It feels so good to just be at home and eat my own food. There's something in there that when I'm at Mom's, I just want everything. I literally can't stop it. As I'm getting handfuls of M&Ms or handfuls of nuts or handfuls of cookies or whatever. As I'm eating those handfuls of things, my brain is literally screaming, no, 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 no. But at the same time, do it. You need this in your life. You're never going to get it again. No, dang well, I'm going to get it again tomorrow. Or the next day, or the next day. Or I could just go to the store and buy it. But anyway, so yeah, as when I'm at Mom's, it's like I literally, all I can think about is all the food that's out on our counter. Which is bad because, well, it's bad because it's poor, not healthy foods. However, for people who can moderate, it's not bad. I understand that. But it's unhealthy, you know. So, and that's why I can't have food, you know, that I shouldn't have in my house. But today, I'm playing my video game. Today, we're gonna meet at the bar over by me, and then, hang on, let me just turn the volume down. We're gonna meet at the bar where it's really the place where we play pool out of. So anyway, so we're gonna go there, and then we are going to go to, I think I already told y'all this, but too bad I'm telling you again. We're gonna go to the whatchamacallit. How you like that? We're gonna go to the how about I focus on you? We're gonna go to the bar, or we're gonna go play pool, and then we're gonna go to the escape room. So I think there's like you're not allowed to record and stuff in there, so there won't be any of that. But anyway, all right, well, I'm just going to play my game for a while and eat my supper or my brunch. Bye. I realized I didn't tell you what I'm eating. Pork steak and 3 eggs with some seasonings. Sorry, guys. Hello. It is 5:30. They're working on lasagna. Oh, is that too close? Maybe. Let's see. Nope, that's as close as far as I can get. Judy made me a lasagna with no noodles, although that's all out the window. Oh, well, Monday's going to be a new day, guys. Today's Saturday. I get all these days mixed up. So today's Saturday. We're not going to church. Got a lot of people leaving tomorrow morning, so I know you'll get this on Monday. But we'll have to watch church online this week. Do I know much else? I don't know much else. I'll show you the lasagna. Oh, the escape room. Dang it. Yeah, so we played pool. Had fun. I got pictures. I'll attach some pictures. Try to see if y'all are going to fall through. Anyway, so we went to play pool, and that was fun. We did a lot of 2 against 2, so that was fun. And just so happened my captain and his son came, and they're so cool. I just love them. And then, but they played on a different table. And then we went to the escape room, and that was really fun. It was all in just one room. We watched a video, and it told us kind of what to expect and what the story was. We went in. They opened a drawer, and then they found the story. What's up? And then all of it started, and it was fun. It was really a fun time. I really had fun. The kids had fun. I say kids, listen, they are 20s, mid to late 20s, but they'll always be kids to me. So it was a fun event. You know, we had an eventful day, and so making memories. Me and Mom were in there, and everybody did really good. We got out and we had, I think, 15 minutes left. It's supposed to, you get up to 60 minutes, and we had 15 minutes left. I say we, as if I did anything. No. The only thing I was able to do was point to the fact that there was a chessboard and 2 pieces missing. 2 of the, I think it was a king and a queen. And then whenever they put something on there, it did something later. So anyway, but yes, we had fun. So now I can't tell if it's ready to eat or not, but I'm going to go join the crowd. So it's been a really, really wonderful time. Again, they'll leave tomorrow around 10-ish. So bye. Okay, there's my noodleless lasagna, my non-keto bread. Shut up, people. And my salad. Just shut up. Yeah. Judy said, no noodles, but we got bread. Shut up. Shut up. We got 2 days. 2 days. We're having ice cream cake to celebrate the winter birthday. So there you go. I'm home. And I'm with the babies. I miss them so much during this kind of time because I know I'm in and out and in and out. And they miss me and I miss them. And I come home, but don't you worry none, folkses. They are going to get their treat. Come on, sister. They're going to get their treat. I've been just doing it this way lately. All right, last one. Hey. All right, last one. All right, guys. That's it. That's how the video's going to end. Oh, Mom sent me home. Hang on. Listen, I ain't got britches on, so hopefully you can't see no reflections, but it is what it is. I got underwear on. She sent me, I brought home some, this is ham. It's like the fatty ham stuff. So I'm going to put that in a crock pot and let that all kind of go, I might do that tonight. No, I don't feel like it. Anyway, I'm going to toss that in the freezer. I need to write on there ham goo. And then Mom sent me home. Hang on just a second. She sent me home the rest of my lasagna. So I ate a quarter of it tonight. So anyway, so I'll be eating some of that probably tomorrow night for supper. So anyway, yeah, that's how it's going. Everybody leaves tomorrow around 10. So I'm going to get up and go over and be with the family in the morning.